In this video, we are discussing on the topic of flood frequency analysis. Flood frequency analysis is a statistical calculation of the probability of occurrence of flood of specific magnitude in a river or in a water resources. That specific period is called return period, and the flow can be ranked as maximum possible flow. In hydrology, flow frequency analysis has occupied an important role and can be effectively used in hydraulic projects. A flood frequency study is carried out to evaluate the high flows for different return periods by frequency analysis techniques. Before that, what is flood? Flood is an overflow of large amount of water beyond its normal limits, and the frequency is the number of times that a given magnitude flood may occur in a given period. We have different methods for flood frequency analysis, that is Gumbel's method, normal method, log percent method, log normal distribution method, and so on. But we have studied Gumbel's method. Gumbel's method. The basic principles of Gumbel's method is the frequency or probabilities of observed flood peaks could be calculated. So in this method, we have a general equation for hydraulic frequency analysis, that is capital X is equal to small x plus delta x, where capital X is the magnitude of flood and small x is the mean of floods on records. Delta x is the departure of variate from the mean. And also the delta x depends on dispersion characteristics, recurrence interval. Recurrence interval is nothing but a return period and the other statistical parameters. And also delta x is equal to capital S into K, where S is the standard deviation of the sample and K is the frequency factor. Therefore, the above expression is written as capital X is equal to small x plus Ks, or xn is equal to x plus kn sigma n minus 1. There are different steps involved in Gumbel's method. So in that, first step is list and arrange the annual floods, that is small x, in descending order of magnitude. Second step, for this arrangements, assign rank m for m is equal to 1 for highest value and so on. In this third step, calculate return period or probability of exceedance by equation n plus 1 by m and m by n plus 1 respectively. These values together with the respective flood magnitude give plotting position. Then fourth step, using tabular form, calculate x square and sigma x square. Fifth step, calculate mean value of x and squared mean value of x and mean of squares x square and standard deviation s. Then sixth step, from this frequency factors for Gumbel method, read if values of desired return period. Then seventh step, using the relation x is equal to x plus ks, calculate the flood values for various return periods, and then we can plot the graph with the probability paper and x values against respective return period or p values. These are the main steps involving in the Gumbel's method. Thank you.